Welcome, everyone, to another intriguing dive into contemporary issues. Today, we're delving into the highly controversial Rwanda Asylum Plan proposed by the UK government. Buckle up, because this story has legal battles, international perspectives, and a lot of public uproar. The Rwanda Asylum Plan, also known as the UK and Rwanda Migration and Economic Development Partnership, raised eyebrows right from its announcement by Prime Minister Boris Johnson in April 2022. The plan aimed to relocate illegal immigrants and asylum seekers from the UK to Rwanda for processing, asylum, and resettlement. In return, the UK would accept an unspecified number of most vulnerable refugees from Rwanda. The partnership, signed for 5 years, had ambitious goals: reducing migrant crossings in the English Channel, combating human smuggling, and fostering Rwandan investment and development. But hold on, because here's the twist: the UK would pay Rwanda £120 million as an economic transformation and integration fund, and fund each immigrant's relocation and temporary accommodation with £20,000 to £30,000. The courtship between these two nations faced a significant hurdle when the Court of Appeal ruled the plan unlawful on June 29, 2023, echoing concerns about the deficiencies in Rwanda asylum system. Now, let's rewind to the beginning. The first flight under this plan was scheduled for June 14, 2022, but the European Court of Human Rights intervened with an interim measure, delaying the process. Despite legal battles, 6 Rwandans were granted asylum in the UK under this agreement, adding yet another layer of complexity to an already controversial situation. So, what did the people think? A YouGov poll in April 2022 revealed a divided public opinion, with 42% against and 35% in support. However, by June 13, 2022, support had increased to 44%, but opposition remained at 40%. Demonstrations outside the Home Office, concerns over human rights violations in Rwanda, and doubts about the plan's feasibility created a storm of public dissent. Even within the UK government, there were voices of skepticism. Home Office Under-Secretary Matthew Rycroft questioned its efficacy, while Prince Charles privately described the plan as appalling. The international community, including the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, UNHCR, expressed firm opposition. The UNHCR believed the UK was attempting to shift its burden to a developing country, violating international legal responsibilities. Now, let's take a look at global parallels. Denmark had its own zero refugees policy, and on August 18, 2022, opened an office in Rwanda to implement a similar plan, drawing both condemnation and support. From Australia's Pacific Solution to the EU's attempts to stop Mediterranean crossings, nations worldwide have explored controversial policies to manage immigration. But here's a surprising historical twist. A report from the UK National Archives in 2023 revealed that a similar plan was proposed to Tony Blair in 2003. History does indeed have a way of repeating itself. As we wrap up this rollercoaster of a story, remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the issues that shape our world.